Hello my dear students, and today I am going to tell you a program on matrix. That means how to extract an element from a matrix. And already it is known to you ijth element. Ijth element means the element of ith row and jth column. For example, in this given matrix, if I will say what is the element of second row and third column, second row and third column, second row and third column, that means 7. 7 is the element of second row and third column. And what is this element? That means it is third row and second column. The element of third row and second column is 6. First condition is that ijth means I represent the number of row and j represent the number of column. Clear? So how to extract this element that means the element of second row and third column, or the element of first row and second column, like this. Clear? And you should do by Scilab. Okay, so it's very simple, and it will take simply 2 to 3 minutes. So let us see how to do this one. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to extract an element from a matrix by Scilab. Okay, so let us see. And I am using Scilab 5.5.2, and I am directly writing in the console. Okay, so see here, and the heading is that to find or to extract an element from a given matrix. Okay, so now say here, let capital A is equal to, I am taking a matrix, and how to write a matrix already it is known to you. I have already told you. 1, then first of all you should put a square bracket, then 1 space 5 space 7, then semicolon. Clear? Then 6 space 0 space 8, then semicolon, then 3 I am giving space 4 space 2, then close a bracket. And I have told you, if you will not put a semicolon at the end, then the matrix will display like this. And if you will put a semicolon at the end, this matrix will not display, this one, as it is shown. Okay, so now I want to extract the element of second row and third column. Second row and third column, which is 8. Second row and third column, 8. Okay. So display, I am writing in a systematic way, display, put a bracket, then capital A, the coding is capital A, then put a bracket, second row, third column. So 2, 3. 2, 3 means it is the element of the matrix A which belongs to second row and third column. That means element of second row and third column of the matrix A. The code is this one. The element of second row, first one represents the row, second one represents the column, and you should put a comma here, and you should put 2 and 3 within parenthesis, and write A, then within bracket 2, 3. A means the element of second row and third column of the matrix A. Okay. Then put a comma, then double inverted comma starts. The element of second row and third column. column of the matrix is, then inverted comma close, then bracket also close. Clear? So then enter. So see here, it is the element 8, which I have already told you. This one, second row and third column. This is 8. So your display is 8. Okay. So you can write anything. You can write first row, third column. That means A within bracket 1, 3. Any element you can extract, and it may be a square matrix. It might not be a square matrix. Any matrix from any order you can extract any element like this. Simply remember this code. Okay, and if you write in this way, it will be very systematic. Okay, so if you have any doubt in this program, then please ask me, and I have given my number in the description. So any problem you can contact me with that number. Okay, so I hope you can do these problems very easily, and I am going to give you all the programs on Scilab which will be helpful for physics and mathematics practicals. Okay, thank you.